Ugh. Are you kidding me? What the frick? Sorry if it's upside down. Ugh, my smoke alarms are... Oh, I don't want to... The fire department's coming. But look, it's only 7:20 something. Look, the fire department's here. It's here. It won't quit. This is the creepiest thing. Oh no. Yeah. Guys are too. Okay, these are enough.
Upstairs,
I hear like this weird. Oh, you can tell.
Have you had any problems with any of them lately? Like chirping like a low battery or anything?
No, we're pretty good about.
Okay. It just went off like this, just out of the blue?
Yep. We thought, oh my gosh. Is this it?
Well, what we might have to do is we might have to like remove the batteries or disconnect all
The
of
fire
them
truck.
and try to figure it out. So, I know I have had to do that in the past. We'll try to isolate it and see if we can figure out which one it is.
I'm so scared.
So,
Why? No, when if something bad happens?
And we're in the hallway.
Yeah,
right
but-
there, we make a funny noise. Like, you hear it beeping.
Oh, this one here made a funny
Yeah,
noise?
it's kind of.
Good. This is perfect. I'm staying safe. At least the fire department came. There they are. I'm telling Ariana. Is it back now? There's no fire at least. There is. I am running. But please like for this. I don't know. We have no idea what's happening. Turn off. I'm so mad. I am so mad. My ears! My ears! I would rather stay here with a noisy fire truck. People are gonna be like, what? They turned it on. Yes! Thank you. Just thank you. Oh crap. Oh crap! Oh, you joking. Are we gonna seriously have to move today? I don't want to move. I like this house. Yo. I'm so scared. What? They keep... I might go off again, so alright. I'm so mad. Not for you guys, but comment, subscribe, and like. Like for me risking. It's here. I'm recording, so. What? Oh. What? So today's a holiday? No, it's not. Told you. Told you. They really came. So I'm leaving. And how are they gonna get out of the neighborhood?